Alright, back again. I'm removing or replacing exhaust manifold. And then I did everything as I'm supposed to do, the way it's supposed to be done. Keep things away. Like you see, this wires was no way. I took it off. Spark plug wires one by one. And I have a broken bolt right here. I'm trying to replace or check it off and then replace it. I got another one in the box right there where I'm shining my light right there in the end, the very last one. I also gotta take it off, but my problem is where it's connected down there where the light is at. Zoom in right there. Yeah, right there where it's connected with a catalytic converter. Those three both there is even it sees it's like I heat it up, it's not even coming out. I disregard it. That's a lot of work. I was planning to cut it, but I don't want to do that. I like this truck. Now I changed my mind. I decide I was gonna leave those 3 bolts down there and then just ply this out like I did, shim it like I did, to give you enough room to clean the area and insert the new gasket. First thing first, before I get any further, this is my nightmare right here. Gotta remove that stud there, right there by the sensor. This guy right here, right there. I gotta take it off. I don't have much tools. I don't have a welder. A lot of people weld it, not with the welder not there, and then they take it off that way. For today, all I got is this. I'm gonna give it a try. If I don't succeed, then I try another method. I was thinking maybe to cut to notch it right there in a mushroom spot. Cut a line right there with a grinder. Make a little opening for the screwdriver, like a flat screwdriver, to use a screwdriver to take it off. But I want to give it a try with a squeezing device. See if it's gonna be any success. This can be headed. Keep the phone right here. It's hard to do 2 things in one. I apologize, my finger in the way and everything. I'm gonna try to ply it out. Hopefully you can see. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I'll keep it there. I apologize for that. I need both hands. Try to get this broken nut off. I pound it with I lubricate with WD-40. Right. I don't even know if it's spinning or it's turning. I got to get it really tight. I know, I'm blocking everything. Yeah, I'm back here. I know the video is all messed up because I'm blocking the view. I got it turned, but I need another device to do a better job. But my tip for today is not about the broken nut, but about this little trick here. Okay? It's all about this trick right here. They give you enough room, you can open it up to 2.5 inches. There's a plenty to send it, and insert the new gasket there, and they put the new boat back, and you be back on the road. But in my situation, my problem, I gotta take those broken stud off first, then I'll be talking. Alright, so subscribe. Apologize for the video quality. Good luck in your exhaust manifold. Alright, subscribe so we can send you more video, so you can solve your problem easily. Subscribe.